got him, 10-4, we got him.
Roger that. Units,
Are you been
stand by.
for selling factory direct trailers at the lowest prices in the industry? I need you to get out. We need to have a word with you.
We've got you right here at Rock Solid, right at the factory. Lowest prices in town. You've been busted.
Who's been busted?
You, sir, Renown Cargo Trailers.
Renown Cargo Trailers. All I'm guilty of is giving people the best product at the best price and the best quality trailers there is.
Wow, sir, I can't believe it. Sir, you've been busted for selling the most cargo trailers at the best prices in all of the United States of America. Renown Cargo Trailers is the best.
All right, now turn around. Put your hands spread out. You've been arrested.
Officers are on scene.
Selling the most trailers in the United States at the best prices in the industry.
Now turn around. Put your hands together. Spread them.
Transport is on the way.
Yo, I've been caught. Renown Cargo Trailers is definitely selling more trailers than anybody else at the best prices, the best quality trailers. If y'all need a trailer, y'all give us a call at 188-287-3954. You can find us on the website at renowncargotrailers.com. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Craigslist, everywhere. We're all over the place. So y'all give us a call. We look forward to talking to y'all soon. If y'all need a good trailer at the best price, give us a call. Until then, y'all know the rest. Y'all be blessed.